wanted something that was user-friendly, something that we could simply just get the job done. And I think with the TVT demo, it was a perfect fit. So it has really sped up our process, I'll tell you that. We'll redline a document, just high level, pretty much when we're ready to make some changes, we send it over to our CRO. They send it over to their CRO or CMO who makes the change. Then it comes back to us, right? So we compare the updated document to the original to make sure only those changes were made. And some of which is spacing, et cetera. Before, we probably wouldn't have seen all of this when we were doing it with just the naked eye. But the fact that now we can do that quickly. So we get something back, we can turn it around rather quickly, run it through, get the check, and then updates and send back to the CRO. And we go back and forth quite a bit. At the end of the day, it is our product and we own it. And so we have to ensure that there have been no changes. I can definitely tell you efficiencies have been gained astronomical. I can't even put a number on it.